We're going to start by pushing the Cat5 cable up through the Hamster tube. You can see it coming out the top there. You pull it through a little bit and we're going to plug it into the right-hand RJ45 connector, which is labeled HPWH. The next cable I suggest pushing through is the power cable because it's a little floppy. When that comes through, we want to pull it with a little extra space. We're not going to plug it in at this point. I'm now going to push through a 2-wire cable that comes from the tank. This is the tank thermistor cable. And we're going to connect that to the 2-wire connector that is called T-tank. And then plug it in to the very top green connections that are also labeled T-tank. The next cable that I'm showing here is coming from the thermostat. What I have here is an 18/8. We need at least 6 wires. And we're going to be connecting that up to the 6-wire connector that is labeled CG0/B, Y2, Y1, R. And then we're going to plug that in to the connector slot that is labeled thermostat. The next 2 cables that we deal with go between the pod and the air handler. This first cable is a 6-wire cable, and it is going to be passing the thermostat signals that we've just plugged into the pod all the way to the air handler. These plug into 6 of the 10 slots available in the 10-wire connector. The remaining 4 slots are taken up with wires that run to the CTs on the air handler and on the third-party DX heat pump. This 10-wire connector is then plugged in to the connection labeled AHU plus ODU. Finally, we're at the point where we can plug in the 24-volt DC barrel connector, and then we can power up the pod with the power switch, which is located in the bottom left of the pod.